What's up, guys? Today we're checking out some very interesting new sneakers. They're Adidas Crazy BYW LVL, and these are pretty insane. Very unconventional sneakers. As you can see, there's random patterns of boost at the bottom, and the sneaker itself, the upper of the sneaker is pretty silly and ridiculous. Honestly, it looks pretty fly. I have to admit, I kind of like it a little bit. Here we're just checking it out in store at Foot Locker or something like that. I'm not sure what store it was. But we got it on foot. They didn't have my size to try on, sadly, so I'm just conveying the opinion of my friend. He said they're relatively comfortable, and in my opinion, they look pretty fly on foot. This is a quick little preview of the shoe. I know it's been out for a while, there must be a lot of videos on it, but I think it's pretty solid. The sneaker's pretty fly. Let me know what you think of it in the comment section below. All in all, I think it's a great shoe. It's a basketball shoe worn by players in the NBA. That's all I had to say about it. I think it's worn by players in the NBA. Anyway, I did end up buying something from Foot Locker, but these are not the Adidas sneakers, and you can see what I bought in a future video. Thanks for watching. Subscribe.